Here are the directions for Topic 12, Lesson 3. Today we're going to be talking about non-unit fractions in regions. So let's take a look at guided practice. It says, write the fraction for the shaded part of the shape. So on number 1, they have already filled in the shape. As you can see, there are 4 parts blue, and there are a total of 8 parts. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4 parts shaded blue, okay? And then out of a total of 8 parts, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 parts blue, 8 equal parts, so that makes the fraction 4/8. 4/8 of that rectangle is blue. Let's take a look at number 2. How many green parts are there? Well, there are 2 green parts, so I'm going to put 2 here, out of a total of 3 parts, so I'm going to put a 3 here. So the fraction of that circle would be 2/3. Okay? Taking a look at number 3. How many parts are yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many parts are yellow? 5 parts are yellow. And remember, my stylus for some reason doesn't work the best on my iPad. So if my numbers aren't perfectly written, you'll have to really pay close attention to what I'm saying as I'm saying the number. And how many total equal parts are there? 6. There's 6 equal parts. So the fraction of this hexagon would be 5/6 of the hexagon is yellow. Let's take a look at, do you understand? It says, does this shape show 3/4 shaded? How do you know? Okay. Let's take a look. Well, the shape does have 3 parts shaded. However, and there are 4 parts to the rectangle, but are they equal? No. So your answer, does this shape show 3/4 shaded, would be, let me straighten my paper out, would be no. It does not show 3/4 shaded because the shape does not have 4 equal parts. So it does not show 3/4. So you would write down no, the shape does not have 4 equal parts. That's what you'll need to write for do you understand. 4 equal, and I'll have to move it up a little bit and put parts down here, because I'm writing on the iPad and you're writing on the paper, so you should be able to fit it all on that space there. Okay, so let's review that one more time. Does this shape show 3/4 shaded? No, it does not, because the shape does not have 4 equal parts. Okay? All right, let's take a look at this. What is the fraction for each shaded part of the shape? Let me read that one more time. Write the fraction for the shaded part of the shape. So let's do number 4 together to make sure you understand what you need to do. And on number 4, they have a diamond, or you could call that a parallelogram. How many parts are shaded blue? I noticed that 3 parts are shaded blue out of a total of 4 parts. So if somebody said, how much of that parallelogram is blue? I would say 3/4, meaning there are 3 parts shaded out of 4 total parts. Okay? So I would like you to, on your own, do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Don't forget to count the shaded parts first, okay? Draw your line and put out of how many total equal parts there are, and that will give you your fraction, okay? All right, so you may have to pause it, work those problems, and then play it when you're ready for number 13. Okay? Number 13 says, shade to complete the pattern. So you'll notice that in the first shape there, they have one part shaded. In the second shape, they have 2 parts shaded. In the third shape, they have 3 parts shaded. How many would the fourth shape have shaded? Okay. All right, let's take a look at the back. Problem solving. Solve the problems below. Jeff cuts a paper plate into 4 equal parts. He uses 2 equal parts for an art project. Show how he cuts the plate. Show how much he uses, and then write that fraction. Okay? So I would like you to try that one on your own, and then when I'm checking your paper, I'll let you know how you did, okay? Or if you need to fix it. Let me read it one more time. Jeff cuts a paper plate into 4 equal parts. That's what you would have to do first on the paper plate given there for you. Then you would shade 2 parts of it because that's how much he used for an art project. Okay? And then you would have to write the fraction. How much did he use of that paper plate for his art project? Number 15, Ms. Fan plants her garden in 6 parts. She plants flowers in 2 parts. Which shows the parts of the garden with flowers? Okay? So think about what that one is asking you to do. I'll read it one more time. Ms. Fan plants her garden in 6 parts. She plants flowers in 2 parts, which shows the parts of the garden with flowers. So you'll have to look and see which choice, A, B, C, or D, shows how much she planted. And then number 16, journal. Write a story about more than 1 equal part of a shape. Then draw a picture to go with your story. And this is just like yesterday's lesson where you had to draw a shape, shade part of the shape in, and then write your fraction. That's what you'll need to do for number 16. If you prefer to write a story, you can do that instead. When you are finished, I would like you to go to Geoboard today, and you can make some shapes and color in some fractions there with rubber bands. And then when you're done, please make sure you have your paper turned into the yellow table with your name on it. Thank you very much.